I'm Jessica Wills with your Fave-Five, and today it's all about getting you ready for the big game. We're bringing you the hottest products on the market that'll help you stress less and spend more time cheering for your favorite football team with your close family and friends. First up, make cooking easier with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This 1500-watt helper comes with a 72-ounce blender, an 8-cup food processor, and two 16-ounce to-go cups. It perfectly blends ice for margaritas, makes creamy drinks, and whips up perfect dip for chips and sauces for wings. And since we just mentioned ice, take a look at this sleek DUMOS Countertop Ice Maker. You'll never run out of ice at your football party with this. It makes up to 26 pounds of ice in one day, and it only takes 6 minutes each cycle. This machine is a total game changer. And keep the oven off and instead use the Cook with Color air fryer. The 5.5 quart digital air fryer is a powerhouse that cooks fast and evenly. The clear glass basket lets you watch your food crisp to perfection. It's dishwasher safe, has 8 presets, and temperature control from 175 to 400 degrees. Next is the Grillers Grilling Accessory Set. This set comes with tongs and spatulas, as well as a meat thermometer and a cleaning brush. Its premium stainless steel design ensures durability, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to grill burgers, veggies, and seafood just like a pro. And if you're not hosting the party but attending, make a variety snack pack with the viral Cook with Color Snackle Box 2-pack. These packs are easy to travel with, airtight, BPA-free, and offer a stress-free way to display a charcuterie spread. Be ready for the big game with these Fave-Five products. For more tips and product recommendations, head to BestReviews.com or scan the QR code that you see on your screen. But for now, I'll send things back to you.